Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another quick episode of the review channel. Today we're going to talk about EBATES. Just a quick review here, just to let you know it's Black Friday. Day before Thanksgiving. Today is Wednesday, 2018, and Thanksgiving is tomorrow. And Black Friday starts probably already. You know, all week it's been Black Friday. Everybody starts so early already. After Halloween, it's Black Friday. But just don't forget, go to EBATES, sign up for EBATES, and you get paid to shop online. You're shopping online anyway. You're giving, your credit card, you're buying things. Why not get a check for it? A lot of companies pay 8%, Walmart 10%, and I've done this many times over and over, and they actually send you a check once a month for $5, $10, $50, whatever it is. It's a fantastic way to make some extra cash while spending your cash, and that's a really cool way to do it, right? So I think that's great. So what you can do is just sign up for EBATES. I'm not being paid for sponsor this at all. I think this is really good information for you to know. So when you sign up, I've saved so far $536.46 so far. Actually paid me $500 to shop online. So that's money in your pocket. You're spending it anyway. If you use a reward card, you get paid for that. You get cash back from EBATES. If there's any special deals and coupons, you use those, and on and on and on. You can stack, and get paid to shop online. You're shopping anyway. You're spending your money. You might as well get paid for it, and that's the way to do it. So check out EBATES. Go to ebates.com. Sign up for their program. All you have to do is just, once you sign into the program, you just go into search, and let's say you want to go to, let's call Walmart. Okay, let's just go to Walmart. So you click on that. You click on Walmart, and what it does is you're all set. So you click on Shop Now, and it takes you right to Walmart. Okay, it gives you an idea on what they're paying cash back on. Just gives you a quick update for that. Continue to their site. Then whatever you buy here, you'll get paid. It's that simple. All right, you want to go to Best Buy. It's Best Buy. They're paying 1%. A lot of them go low, and they do vary throughout the year. Sometimes they'll have better promotions. Sometimes they'll have better sales. Sometimes they'll give you 5%, 6%, 1%, whatever it is. If it's 1%, it's still 1%. If you're spending buying a $2,000 computer, TV, a shopping cart's full of stuff, why not get paid for it? There's nothing wrong with that, and you'll get a check, a physical check, or they might do a PayPal transfer now. I'm not sure. They can do all different kind of things. We like the check. We get the check once a month. It's kind of cool, and it's just for shopping online. So I hope you enjoyed this just quick tutorial. Just think about, a lot of people get nervous or afraid that they're signing up for another scam. This is not a scam. This is legit. We've been doing this for about several years now, and as you can see, we've received $536.46 so far. Okay, actually I got a cash balance as going right now, $2.49, just for shopping online. Pick up something here, pick up something there. Some stores don't do it. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, the discount stores don't offer any discounts at all. But and Amazon, kind of funky, depends on what you buy. They're a little different like that. But anything else, any other sites, and you can look on here. So you get double cash back at some stores, so some stores offer double cash back. Again, this is the variation on what they have, so you have to really kind of look and see exactly what they have. Surprised that QVC's on here, because that's very unusual. It must be because of Black Friday. Usually never on here, so that's pretty cool. Kohl's 6%. You can see all the different stores. Macy's 10%. Okay, if you buy group bonds, and also anything you pretty much shop online, you can most likely find in here. Lululemon's really popular. Tom shoes, just on and on. So if you're shopping, go to EBATES, sign up. I'll put a link below to send you there. It is a referral link. I'm being very transparent. I would get a small commission, something like that, but that's not why I'm showing this. I just want to give you an idea on, save money when you spend money. And that's how you make money. That makes any sense? Well, I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate that. It does help me out. Like this video if you do. Any comments or questions, leave below. I love those. I'll answer them as much as I can. And thanks for watching the review channel. I do appreciate your time, and enjoy your Thanksgiving week. Have a great day.